There's a lot of good methods for making a good vanilla cake. You could cream the butter, you could fluff the eggs, but this is by far the easiest and my favorite method. So get yourself a blender and let's make one of the most amazing moist vanilla cakes. You loved my 1-minute chocolate blender cake, and since you asked, I had to give you the vanilla version. It's simple, quick, and the batter itself takes 1 minute to make. But just like the chocolate version, there is a method to it. Into your blender, you're going to add the wet ingredients first, so the milk, melted butter, egg, and only then add the dry ingredients. If you were to add the dry ingredients first, they would just stick to the bottom of the blender and you'll most likely end up overmixing the batter. As I'm saying this, I'm so sure there's one of you out there who's muted the video and is happily just blending already everything together. I'm just giving you the best method possible here, okay? You're going to blend your cake on high for about 10 seconds. Do not overblend. We're not making a cake shake here, although that sounds delicious. After 10 seconds, unplug your blender and scrape the sides. Make sure you unplug that blender when scraping the sides. Mix again for another 5 seconds and we're ready to bake this baby. Shout out to Johnny, one of my best friends, for the sprinkles. Love these, love this brand. Not sponsored, they don't know I exist. I've been using these forever. They don't bleed and they're bright and colorful. We love round chubby sprinkles. I've transferred the cake batter into an 8-inch pan, greased and lined with parchment paper, and you're gonna bake this baby in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes. Do the toothpick test. If it's clean, the cake is ready. You're gonna let this baby cool for 5 minutes in the pan and then turn it over and allow it to cool completely. While that's cooling, I wanted to share with you a frosting that I have been obsessed with. Come on, just look at this. And when I say it's amazing, I mean amazing. It's a whipped white chocolate frosting, which sounds fancy, but it's really not. It's only 2-3 ingredients, and it's perfect for all of you who do not like buttercream. I've just melted the white chocolate with the cream in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds. You're then going to pop this baby in the freezer just for about 10-15 minutes. Don't forget it in the freezer, okay? We just want this to cool down slightly. Add the remaining cold heavy cream and whip this up. I'm telling you, this frosting is amazing. It's smooth, luscious, delicious. And for all of you who are curious, you don't really taste the chocolate. It just tastes like heaven. Heaven in a bowl, heaven on a cake. You're going to frost your completely cooled cake with this frosting. While you can get away with frosting a semi-warm chocolate cake, you really can't do that with vanilla cake. It has to be completely cooled. Warm, gooey chocolate cakes are delicious. Warm, gooey vanilla cakes just sound weird. If you have a turntable, use that. I've lost mine. How do you lose a turntable? I don't know. I know it's like saying, how do you lose your desk? Well, apparently it happens in my house. Clean the edges, smooth the sides, and by the way, if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and have a slice of cake with us. It's moist, delicious. Video's over, go make the cake, bye.